Well, welcome to the home of two cats. This one here, his name is Baxter, and he is a thoroughbred Maine Coon kitty. Hey, Bax. He likes to play with strings, like on my shoe here. Get it. Get it, Baxter. Here. Get it, Baxter. Yeah. Good boy. He's a very playful cat. He weighs about 24 pounds. He's very big and long. Very soft. Maine Coon seems to be the most popular cat on the internet and stuff like that. Pretty smart cats. They're a lot like a dog. They sometimes come when they're called, which is unusual for a cat. And this one follows me around, waits for me when I get home from work. Yeah. Good boy, Baxter. Good boy, Baxter. Hey. Hey. Baxter. Yeah. This other one, he's our Himalayan. His name is Sterling, and he is absolutely the best at doing nothing whatsoever. Usually he's laying flat on his back. He's a good boy, though. He's a very sweet cat. He's Joanne's cat. He's a lap cat for Joanne. Unfortunately, Baxter's a lap cat for me, and he almost crushes you when he lays on your chest. Hey, say hi. Hey, Sterling. Sterling. Baxter and Sterling. Sterling is a Himalayan. And he's a thoroughbred blue tip Himalayan. Hey, buddy, wake up. Wake up. Come on, do something. Do something. Do something. Come on. Come on. Camera's on. Got your tail. Now, he says nothing at all, but look pretty all the time. Very pretty cat. Say goodbye. Oh, one thing else you need to know. Baxter thinks he's a hunter, so he has his own cage outside. Yeah, he stays in this cage out on the patio and looks at the birds in the trees, which he loves. He loves birds. Okay. And then one other thing you've got to see. This is Baxter's cat tree. It's huge, and he spends a lot of time right up there. Don't you, Baxter? Hey, go climb your tree. Go climb it. Baxter? Hey, Baxter. Hey, Baxter. Go climb your tree. I'm more interested in the birds outside this window right now. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Bye now.